Okay, in this video, I will show you how to ask other business or other business managers to share their assets with you. Like for example, I am an independent FB ad strategist. Merong kumukuha sa akin and inside my business manager, there are several ad accounts that I'm handling. So, pag ganun, mapupunta siya dito sa partners. In order for them to be added to your business managers, you're going to ask permission. And this is how you are going to do it. You will click add. You will ask a partner to share their assets. And then get started and fill in everything. Ayan, mapipili nyo yan. You can just choose what is appropriate to you. And then, re-request nyo na po yung asset types. And normally, ang asset types po na ina-access ng mga media buyers or ng mga advertisers ay yung pixel, siyempre kasama doon yung audience at saka yung page. Okay? So, that's how you add a partner to your business settings.